Coinbase confusion: how to actually add money to your wallet. Ever stared at your Coinbase app, crypto dreams swirling in your head, only to hit a brick wall when it comes to adding funds? You're not alone. Coinbase can be a fantastic platform for buying and selling crypto, but the whole adding money thing can be a bit unintuitive. See, Coinbase actually has two things going on: your Coinbase account and your Coinbase wallet. While they're connected, they're not exactly the same. Think of your Coinbase account like your bank account. It holds your actual money, and boring old dollars or euros. Your Coinbase wallet, on the other hand, is like a digital safe specifically for cryptocurrency. So, the key to funding your crypto adventures lies in understanding how to get those valuable dollars from your Coinbase account into your waiting Coinbase wallet. Solution: adding cash. Alright, let's dive in. The first, and probably most common, way to add funds is by depositing cash. There are a few ways to do this, depending on your location and preferences. Easy bank transfer: this is a smooth option for many users. Coinbase will link directly to your bank account, allowing you to transfer funds electronically. Just be aware, it might take a few days for the transfer to clear. Instantaneous options: feeling impatient? Coinbase offers debit card deposits and wire transfers for a fee. These options get your funds there much faster, but they'll also cost you a bit extra. Adding cash, step by step. No matter which method you choose, the basic steps are similar. Log into your Coinbase account. Click on the My Assets tab. Find your local currency balance, usually USD or Euro, and select Add Cash next to it. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the amount you want to deposit. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Alternative: transferring crypto. Maybe you already have some crypto on another platform and want to move it to your Coinbase wallet. No problem. This is called a crypto transfer. Here's the gist. Locate the send option on your other crypto platform. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and enter the amount. You'll need the public address of your Coinbase wallet. This is like a unique code that identifies your wallet and allows deposits. Find this address in your Coinbase Wallet app. It'll likely be a string of letters and numbers, or a QR code you can scan. Paste the address or scan the QR code in your other platform's transfer window. Double-check everything and confirm the transaction. Important notes. Transferring crypto can involve fees, so be sure to factor those in before initiating the transfer. Always double and triple check the wallet address before sending any crypto. Sending crypto to the wrong address is a recipe for lost coins, and unfortunately, those transactions are usually irreversible. Buying crypto directly. Here's a bonus tip: you can actually buy crypto directly within your Coinbase Wallet app. This can be a convenient option, especially if you're new to the crypto world and want to keep things simple. Just look for the Buy button in your wallet app. You can choose from a variety of cryptocurrencies and select your preferred payment method, similar to adding cash. Coinbase will walk you through the rest, making the buying process straightforward. So, there you have it. No more staring at your Coinbase wallet in confusion. With these methods, you can easily add funds and start building your crypto portfolio. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research before diving into any cryptocurrency, but hopefully, this video has empowered you to take that first step. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crypto exploring.